What's up guys, Ryan here. Today I wanted to show you how you can use FeedbackWhiz to benefit your Printful Amazon or GearBubble Amazon or whatever integration you're using with your Amazon Seller Central account to sell FBM print on demand products. This tool can benefit your business, and I'm going to show you a couple ways how. First things first, you can set up product alerts. So this is the demo account, by the way, of FeedbackWhiz. And I should probably mention they have a free 30-day trial, no credit card required. So go ahead and sign up using the link below. You will not regret it. If you do, I don't know why you would. Again, it's free, no credit card. So first things first, you should set up product monitoring just because it'll let you know when any business critical events happen to your products. Like if you lose the buy box, a hijacker jumps on your listing title changes, things like that. So it's worth knowing for sure. And all you have to do is look up, you can look up by ASIN, SKU, title, and add it to the right side. And then you'll start receiving email alerts. I mean, ideally, you don't want to be getting alerts, by the way. That means everything's going well. But, oh yeah, product reviews. It'll alert you when you get like product reviews, whether it's positive or negative. So that is worth knowing that it's there. It takes 2 seconds to add products, by the way. You can even like bulk add them by hitting that checkbox on the left side. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You just hit add. So you can select one, hit add, and then hit save. Then we'll start receiving email alerts if anything happens to that listing. Next, I wanted to show you that you can automate emails to go out to your customers to do things like ask for feedback and let them know that the product is shipped. So first things first, they have pre-built templates. So I went to campaigns and then template manager. Then hit load pre-built template. And right here is the review request. So you can just hit view template, then load this template. And you actually don't need to do anything if you don't want to. Like, you'd probably want to swap out your logo. So rather than leave the company name tagline here. So go ahead, upload your logo using the upload button. And then once you do that, you can delete this placeholder image. Why is it not letting me? There we go. And then you can just do bracket, bracket, logo, underscore image, bracket, bracket. I think that's it. Let me check the variables real quick and make sure. Oh wait, I shorthanded the image. It's image spelled out like that. There you go. So I didn't upload a logo, but if I did, it would show up on this right-hand preview pane. All right, then just hit save and exit. Then come back over to campaigns, open up campaign manager, and hit create new email campaign. Pull up the one that you just made, name it the review request. Target orders, switch this to delivered, and then set it to 4 days after delivery. Order matching rules, all products. Exclusions, we can exclude anything that's already received feedback because we don't need to request feedback if we received it. Other, with returns, with refunds, we don't want to ask for feedback if it was returned or refunded, obviously. And delayed shipment, I mean, coin flip there. Some people care, some people don't. Anyways, that looks good to me. Hit review and save. If you want to do this backwards, up to 60 days, you can allow it to do that for you. I typically don't like to do that. All right, then I hit create campaign. So now, from now on, any orders that come in the future, we'll get those feedback requests sent approximately 4 days after the product was delivered. But also for FBM sellers, I wanted to show something that I wouldn't do for FBA, but I would do for FBM. With FBM fulfilled by merchant, that's our print on demand stuff using like the Printful integration, GearBubble integration, etc. You can hit load pre-built template, and then the first one, order shipment confirmation. So click that. It says your item has left the warehouse and is en route to your destination. When you receive it, please verify it's not damaged. Do you have any questions, comments, concerns? Contact us. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. So we're reducing the likelihood of receiving negative feedback and increasing the likelihood of us getting positive feedback because we're being so customer focused, you know, in these automated communications, making it easy for them to contact us, etc. You might receive more customer feedback, you might have to do more customer service work. That's the only downside if you don't have like a VA fielding these communications for you. So it's, you know, but it's typically not that hard to do. All right, so I'm going to hit load this template. Similar to what we did last time, you know, if you want to swap your logo in, you can just delete the placeholder. Don't know why it doesn't like to let me delete it the first time. Or just delete it altogether. If you do, just sign it. So I'd say, best regards, Ryan. You know, make that big and bold. You know, I could just sign it with my name. So that's pretty much it. You don't really need to customize anything. Again, if you want to do the logo, you can do that. Again, the bracket was just bracket logo underscore image bracket. They have a whole extensive list of variables that you can use. If you click the show variables button, they're all there. And yeah, so I'm going to hit save, exit, come back over to campaign manager, create new campaign, order shipped notification as the name. Find your email in the list of templates. I'm not even going to try because this is flooded with other people's content. Target orders shipped. Yes, perfect. Channel FBA, FBM. Well, I'm going to uncheck FBA. We don't need to tell people that their FBA product was shipped. Amazon does that, I think, anyways, right? I typically don't shop on Amazon. I'm a eBay shopper. Shh, don't tell anybody. Keep it secret. All right, and then exclusions. The only thing we'd probably want to exclude is a delayed shipment. So if Printful or Gearbubble took longer than expected to produce the order, the fulfillment time was longer than expected, we don't want to alert the customer to the fact that we were late, or we wouldn't tell them we're late in the email, but they're more likely to notice, right? So we will exclude that and schedule daily. It should just be as soon as possible after the order shipped. So it's shipped, go out as soon as possible. Order matching rules, all products. Again, FeedbackWhiz is going to filter out by channel. So as long as we don't check FBA, we're good there. Then hit review and save. You don't want to do this backwards because that wouldn't make sense if like an order that was shipped 7 days ago now gets this shipping confirmation sent. Then hit create campaign. And that's it, guys. So now you've got your products monitored for business critical events. You've got an automated feedback request going out to increase the odds of getting positive reviews, hopefully, if people like the product. You can actually go ahead and set up a sequence, an automated sequence for when you receive negative reviews. Although I'm not as worried about negative reviews for like print on demand products, honestly. Having any review is still going to help you stick out amongst the vast sea of print on demand products on Amazon's catalog. So you can opt whether or not to add that, but it's there. It's in the preloaded templates. And we're sending out the shipping notification for our FBM products. So we've just enhanced our print on demand business on Amazon. And again, FeedbackWhiz has a free 30-day trial, no credit card required. So if you're interested in trying it out, hopefully this video showed you what you needed to know. If not, I apologize. You can always reach out to me and let me know if you have any questions. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, hit me up below, and I'll see you at the next one.